There are many different types of sleep disorders. Insomnia is the inability to sleep. It can involve having trouble falling asleep, waking up during the night, or waking up early in the morning. Women, older adults, and people who are stressed and depressed are more likely to have trouble with insomnia. For short-term insomnia, doctors usually prescribe sleeping pills. For long-term sleeping problems, the advice to practice good sleep hygiene, to go to bed at the same time every day, set an alarm, avoid naps, sleep in quiet places, and also sleep in the dark. Sleepwalking and sleep talking are also two sleep disorders. Sleepwalking occurs during stages N2 and N3. When someone talks while sleeping, they are in fact sound asleep. An even rarer sleeping condition is called sleep eating. A nightmare is a frightening dream that awakes a dreamer from REM sleep. Nightmares peak for children between ages 3 and 6 years old. A night terror is characterized by sudden arousal from sleep, accompanied by an intense fear. Night terrors peak for children between the ages of 5 and 7. Narcolepsy is an overwhelming urge to sleep. A person with narcolepsy may fall asleep while talking or standing up. Narcoleptic individuals fall directly into REM sleep. Sleep apnea involves the stopping of breathing during sleep. People with this condition wake up many times during the night so they can breathe better, but they are usually not aware of it. It affects between 9 and 38% of the population and is more common in men than women. An important component of sleeping is dreaming. For Freud, dreaming symbolized unconscious wishes. The manifest content is the story of the dream or a description of what happened in the dream. The latent content is the deeper or unconscious meaning of each symbol or item in the dream. The cognitive theory of dreaming states that dreaming can be understood by applying the same cognitive concepts used to studying the wakeful mind. Therefore, dreaming also involves information processing, memory, and problem solving. The theory rests on the idea that dreams are essentially subconscious cognitive processing. From the cognitive theory point of view, dreams are a state in which a person can solve problems and think creatively. This process is sometimes referred to as the continuity hypothesis because of the emphasis on the connection between dreaming and wakeful thought. The activation synthesis theory states that dreaming occurs when the cerebral cortex synthesizes neural signals that are generated from activity in the lower part of the brain. Neural networks in other areas of the forebrain play a role in dreaming as well. In the next video, we will talk about psychoactive drugs.